I'm gonna try to do knotless box braids using a crochet needle. And this is the hair I'm using. I ordered it off of Amazon. Link in the description. So if you're interested to see how it came out, if you want to know how to do it, if you want to know how the hair is, then keep watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get started. Let me show y'all my hair real quick. I have 44 parts in my hair, by the way. Okay, let's get started for real. Okay, y'all, so what you're going to do is you're going to take the crochet needle, slide it into your roots, and you're going to take a piece of hair and you're going to lash it into the crochet needle, clip it, and slide it through. It's real easy. Well, it looks easy on camera, but y'all know I be struggling. Like I struggle with my butterfly locks, same thing. So you're going to hold on to one end of the hair and you're going to pull the other end through. And then next, you're going to evenly divide the hair. So you're going to take a little piece from the left side and you're going to take a little piece from the right side and combine that with your actual braid, as you can see. And then you'll start braiding. And that's really it. It's super simple and it's easy to do. Sometimes I would have to start over on the braid if I noticed that it was looking a little uneven, or if I noticed that at the beginning of the braid it was kind of like twisted. But other than that, it was easy to do. So I'm just showing y'all me braiding. But I don't think I'm going to braid all the way down to the bottom on camera. But you never know. But anyways, while we're waiting to see it again, because I'm going to show it twice for my visual learners. Because I know, y'all got to see it a couple times in order to get it. I got you. Don't worry. But anyways, how are y'all doing? It's currently Valentine's Day and I'm laying in bed doing this voiceover. It's snowing. It's negative 13 degrees. And it feels like it's 65 degrees in my house. And I have the heat on 72. But yeah, it's like freezing. There's 1 inch of snow outside and it's supposed to snow all day tomorrow. Yeah, I don't understand where this snow and this weather is coming from, but it needs to go away. Like, what's going on here? But anyways, let's get back to these braids. Y'all, these braids took me, I started at around 1:15 and I ended around 7:30. Like, that's ridiculous. Okay, take 2. So I'm sliding the hair with the crochet needle. I'm holding on to one end and I'm going to pull the other end through. And then I'm going to evenly divide the hair and start braiding. I'm sorry if y'all can hear me breathing hard. I noticed in my last voiceover that I was breathing so hard, but I was just, I don't know. I didn't want to do it over again because I was feeling lazy. So, sorry if I'm breathing hard. Now I'm going to stop breathing. Okay, I can't hold my breath that long. I think I actually ended up redoing this braid because y'all could see, I don't know if y'all could see, but it was a little twisty at the beginning. This is the final braid. We made it. Y'all, I was so tired. I spent like the first probably 4 hours dancing and rapping in the mirror while I was braiding my hair. But by like 5 o'clock, I was ready to go. I was ready to end it all. y'all see me struggling to put this hair in. And also be careful, don't put, okay, if your parts are small like mine, or medium size I guess, don't put a lot of hair into the crochet hook, because it's not going to pull through your roots. Like if there's too much hair, it's not going to pull under. So I don't know if that makes sense, but just make sure you don't put a lot of hair on there. I noticed that too when I was doing it. Like my braids would be, the amount of hair that I was trying to use for my braids was too much, so it wouldn't slide under. So that's just another tip too. But that could also be because I braided my actual hair, I guess, too tight, or I don't know. I didn't want to braid it super loose because I wanted my braids to be clean and tight. But that could have been a problem too. If you're interested in the actual hair, I'm going to review it in the next clip. And it won't be a voiceover, so I'll probably put the time stamp. I should have said this earlier because it's gonna come up. But anyways, yeah. So I think that's it for me talking. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. I'm gonna stand up real quick so y'all can see the blonde. I tried to curl my ends. I guess I shouldn't have braided so far down, but the ends did curl with hot water, as you see. Well, the braids come down to my waist. Yeah, they come down to my waist. And I am 5'8" and a half. Like I said, I ordered this hair off of Amazon, and I have 44 braids in my head. I only used 4 full packs of hair. I still have 4 packs left. I ordered 2 different orders. I ordered a pack of 5, and then I ordered a pack of 3 because I didn't think 5 would be enough. Turns out it's enough for me, but I'm gonna show y'all what the pack looks like again. This is what it looks like. I know a lot of people on the reviews were complaining that there wasn't enough hair in the packs. It was enough for me, but I'm used to like getting those 99-cent packs from the beauty supply store. So this was about the same amount, but a little bit more than I'm used to. So it was fine with me. I did soak the hair in apple cider vinegar before I put them in my head, and when I soaked them, the water was clean, so there wasn't a white film in the water at all. So I don't think you really will have to do that if you do have like a sensitive scalp. I just did it to be sure, but the water was clean. I soaked it for an hour. When I was braiding my hair, I did get some tangles, but like I said, I'm used to the 99-cent pack of hair, so it really didn't bother me. If you don't like tangles, or if you don't like your hair getting tangled up when you braid it, then you probably shouldn't get this hair. But it looks like the picture on Amazon. The ombre is super pretty. So I am satisfied, and I ordered this hair with my own money. This is not sponsored, and this was not sent to me. But overall, I really do like it. It took me 6 hours to do because I was trying to do the whole knotless thing. I'll probably never do that again. I'll just braid my hair like I normally do it without the crochet needle, and I'm just gonna have some knots at the top, period. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all next week. Peace.